Hey, good morning. Markets are flat in the Globex session. Basically flat, with the Russell slightly up here, about 1/10%. And we're gonna watch and see what happens off this open here. We're close to yesterday's range low in the last hour of trading. You call it the M period, the range of the last hour of trading. So 463 on NASDAQ is about that area. To the high is around 548, more or less. So we'll see what we get off this open here. Markets are in a range. I'm not expecting much, especially since we're opening close to, well, we're still in the range of the last 2 days here. So it tells me generally be less aggressive on the open on days like today because there's less clarity in the markets. Let me know if you guys hear everything good. So far we're seeing a down move off the open here right into the 463 area, price discovery. Minus 300 off the open here. First minute. Nice bounce. I don't trade in the first 5, 10, 15 minutes normally. There's a lot of price discovery, a lot of randomness. Hey, good morning. For the S&Ps, it's about 155. That's the demand zone we're watching here, moving down here. NASDAQ seems to be leading first thing. But again, the correlations right off the open sometimes can be misleading. I've seen that a number of times where the NASDAQ starts weak and then ends up becoming the stronger one. That's why we trade what we see, not what we think. Five, six, seven. Trading bearish off the open. Just watching the rotations. 50 to about 43 to about 45 here. '40s now. '40s now bid. Back up to 50 likely here. 50 now. Not. Tried it though, now 46. Still moving lower here, now 37, now 36 bid. Now 40 again, rebid. 40's offered, back to 37. Bid at 37 here now. Watching the rotations. So far it's a one-sided market here. Russell down 4/10, so is NASDAQ down 4/10, S&P down 1/10.5. Going to 30 now, 40, 430. 26 here. We're right into a demand zone, guys. This is the demand zone from Monday. Okay, so I wouldn't be too aggressive selling right into this area. Though if you were short, it's a decent area to take profit in. Alright, we're at 37, now we're bid at 27. About 10 points apart here. Back to 37. Pretty nice up move here now on about a plus 200, still moving up here. I'm missing the chat maybe, hold on. Hey, good morning, good morning, good morning. Alright, NASDAQ on an up move now. Where'd this positive 400 come from? Okay, that would have been close, right close to the end period low. Pretty big range. $50-ish now to 55, now 58 to 60. $60 now, end period low. Sellers held it there. Strong move up now, 470 here, lifting. Again, a lot of price discovery the first 15 minutes. You can get trapped. That's why I prefer not to mess around in the first 10, 15 here. Strong move up. Q's now slightly positive, back to flat. Two-way around here now. Again, coming up a strong up move here. Back into yesterday's range. Let me know if you guys can hear everything all right here. We've got some copyright-free music in the background here. This market's just relentlessly moving up here. We're at bid at 97 two-way, now we're at 07 now here. Offering it lower. Now two-way at 05 here. Wish I could see this a little better. All right, sellers answering from the highs here back to this 97 area here. That was about a minus 300 from those highs. Watch the 97 area. Moving down now, sellers were a little aggressive here. Kind of slowly going down here. Trading 90 now, 88 bid.
Buy.
Standard deviation is about 10 points right now. Again, doing this slow fade down thing here. I'd be careful going long. Again, that up move, there was not much established. Danger with going long on any of this is because there was nothing established on the way up. It just went straight up, so it can easily go straight back down. All we have established is that 95 area. Now we're trading lower here on an imbalance. Another minus 900. Flat on the day delta so far. That won't get filled. If it does, I'll be very surprised. $70 trying to bid here. Back to 75. Looks like some clean 5-point rotations there. $70 again. Doing a slow fade down still. If 70's bid, you can maybe buy it, but yeah. Delta's flat on the session about, so well, slightly down now here. About 200. 70's bid holding. Plus 100. plus 100. We're up 5 handles. Trying to trade 80s now. Sellers now, minus 150. Sell it, baby. Minus 400 on this move. From what I can see, we're trading about 5 to 8 point rotations. 70s now, 77 now, 80 now, 86. On a plus 300. Vlad, I don't look at candle closes. That doesn't make much of a difference. Focus more on how the market's rotating around so I can see where to scalp it. Again, we're pretty solid range around here from this 70 to this 80 handle. Ran it down to the 60 to the 55. Consider that our unfair lows currently. So if we start offering 55s, this thing could probably go lower. But so far we're holding in this range here. I think I'm still offered to sell at 93. See if it comes up now. Yeah. $70s yet again. Time are we here? 9:48. All right. Sellers are having no problem selling this around the 78 to the 9 handle here. If we start lifting here, it's probably going to go up. 80s now. 80 offers trading. Now 81 bid here on a down tick. It's trying to bid. All right, 4 handles. 6 handles up now. Back in now 80. Right back to the VPOC. See, that'll catch you.
buy,
sell,
sell,
sell, sell,
70 still bid, 68 VWAP still bid. This is a range bound market. You buy 68, you sell 80s. That's what it's been now. Still stuck in a range, nothing to do here, in the middle of a range. Coming up here, 86 now. We're gonna get fill on this 90 now, 92 now, 90. Am I gonna get run over here now? 92 now, 93 now, 95. All right, now I'm gonna get run over. Yes or no? Yes, I am gonna get run over. Ouch. Well, we got run over there, guys. Not a problem. We keep our risk small. I was offered to sell at 94. It traded it on a sweep, then it went straight through it. Move on to the next. I can use as small a stop as I want, let me tell you. P.S. This is not about me. I'm just trying to make some money. But it's not about the money either. Now. Four. Come on. Give us a nice sweep. 2. Oh, again. Damn, this market's whipping today, man. That's twice now. That's twice now orders get run over here. And actually it went straight through it. Trading on a bearish imbalance now.
Buy.
Where'd my Lin rate go? About 7 points. It is a little jumpy. I'm not sure if it's my connection or what, but this dong looks a little jumpy right now. Sellers are controlling this, but I would never short it here just now. Need a better setup. Let the gamblers gamble, that's the way I see it. $36. $36 offered. Roughly 36 down to about 29. $28 offer. Bid of 22, 23. Still moving down here. Strong move up now, 100. $36. Turn it up to 44 there. Rotations are really wide here. 36 to trade it up to 45. You're looking at almost 10-point rotations here. Trading into Monday's demand zone. Probably see some two-way action here. 23 now. 23 down to 15. It's about an 8-point rotation. Trading a lot here now. It's like 18.50 here. Moving up here, now 23 again, now 28. What's that, like 31 area? 23 on the bid here, 20 again. Will we go back to 18? I'm going to clear these current trades here. This market's bid at 22 on an uptick. $30 now. Watch this zone. Swept it up into here. It's offered at 32. Back to 26. See, these are kind of good rotations. Still a little extreme though for my liking. Russell's down 1% now in the session here. Nasdaq's down almost 0.5%. Russell took out all the demand zones. S&P's as well, trading below its demand zone. Trading now into the range of Monday, the upper extreme of Monday's range. See it that way. The Nasdaq seems to be the one holding on the best here, honestly, because we're into a clear demand zone from Monday, and we're just chopping here. So can't be too aggressive on the short side, I'd say, unless you start losing this 420. 413. 23 was the area. Now 23 again, 10 points. See what you guys are up to on YouTube here. Yeah. Move it up, move it up. We hit 48.50. That looked like the right zone.
Buy.
Bid at 22, 27 again. Now it's doing 5-point rotations. 33, sweeped it up. Back to 27. Trading up. 35 offered, moving up. 40 now. Watch the extreme of the range here. Upper extreme of the range is offered here. We're looking at about 29 here. See if we get a decent move. 25, 4, 3. 5 again. 7 offered. 3, 2. It's doing that thing again. I'm not a fan of it. 19 now on a bid. All right, let's get it. 26 offers. Let's get paid on that. Saw that bottom tick. The ranges, man. About 8-point ranges, more or less. 10, more or less. 8 to 10. $19 another time. It's a bit of 19 again. 19 bidders might not be so lucky this time, but we'll see. $16 now.
Buy.
20 down to 13. 13.50 that is. Now up to 27, 28.
Buy.
28 offers now. Moving up here. 30 offers. This market feels more upside biased now. Look at how it's going up. 38. We're plus almost 300 on this move here.
Buy.
We're at 23, traded a bit at 34, back to 26 here. Actually, we're at 20. 20, now 27. Bid it, back to 35.
Buy.
Sellers in the 33 offer, watch 27. The way I'm thinking of this is like I have like a spread in my mind of where the market is doing two-way business. So I'm trying to keep my orders away from crowded zones. For anyone watching this, hopefully there's not a lot of people. I can't see too well what you're trading. I'm trading NASDAQ futures, my brother.
Buy.
Well, this is the NASDAQ and it's moving up and down. That's what it's doing, and we're looking where to trade it. Well, now it's moving up more than it's moving down.
Sell.
30 now. We're traded up to 40, not much traded there. We're in a trading range here.
Buy.
What was it? It was 28, down now to 40. Now 40. Upper end of this range here, now 40. $41.50, now 37 again, now 35, now 33. 41, that's a 31. $27 now, sweeping it down, now 23. Pretty easy move down on nothing here, about minus 200 here. 23, 22. Right back to the bottom end of the range here. Sellers now, some of them got trapped at 1750. Let's see if we trade it again. Alright, 1750 bid yet again. Someone stepping up there. Now we're bid at 20 here. Back in the range here now, 27. Again, shorting down here, guys, danger zone, completely danger zone. Trust me, I've been in it a number of times where you try and sell the low and you get messed up immediately. You don't want to be that guy selling the low. Unless there's a bunch of guys offside and you can see it, then try it. I'm not into that. Up we go, 30 now again. Smack in the middle of the range.
Buy.
20 to 30. More or less I'm seeing 10-point rotations today here.
Buy.
There's our buyer getting paid here at 30.
Buy.
Sellers now. Sellers now. Bit of a bid down there at 11.
Buy.
I'm just gonna put this here, make sure it doesn't fall off while I'm doing this. Broke the low of the range. It was bid there down at 11 or something, and now we're back in the range again. Typical NASDAQ movement. Overall, still keeping a bear bias though, as we're slowly drifting lower. Value seems to be slowly drifting lower. However, we're still, this is still considered unfair lows at this point. Sellers now again, 11. Sellers still control in here. 08 now. 4 here. 400. 400 was our Monday buyer. Don't forget. 0250 bid. 400's even. Six handles, or what was it? From 400 even, or 02-ish. Let's see where we're trading here. Evens down to 0375, looking at about 6, 7, still about 7-point ranges, more or less. Buyers fighting it here. Trading a bit of volume here. 400 now, up to 08 potentially. Traded 07.25 back to 400. Huh. Did a bit of volume at 37.
Buy.
Okay, what I would like to see here, because I would not want to bid at 03 here. That's a suicide mission. But what I would like to see is if we smash through the lows, then it's bid at 93. Then I'll take it. But I would not have an order down here at 93 right now. Remember, 98.50. Still bear biased. Going slowly down. 93 now. Bid at 92. Smash it by 2 handles. Now, I want to see a bit more than that. Okay. 89. Now watch 93 on the way back up here. No, didn't get it. But that was the idea, right? Breaks the low of the range, fails, come back in. I'll take it on the counter trend. 07 sweep. That's the upper extreme. Not much liquidity here. We have a bit of a low volume area. See how we trade here. Not doing volume at 04. Up we go. 0850. Oh, 04 now. To about 11-ish.
Buy.
11. 12 offers. Now volume at 08 here. 04, let me see here. 94. Volume's at 10 now. Buyers are definitely in control now of this move. Back in the earlier range here now. Just see how you guys on YouTube are doing here.
south,
Russell down 1.3% here. Nasdaq down 0.5%. Last move was up in Nasdaq. I'm pretty bull biased. Though we're trading into the range, the previous range here. Now we're rejecting it to some degree, but not much clarity here. We're just waiting. So what are you guys up to today? $23 now. 23 to 30, more or less. 7 points. Did we trade 16 yet? Kind of. Still moving up here now. That would be session VPOC on Nasdaq. All the way back through here. Watch 16, the lower end of this range. 16. Look at how it's approaching it slow. Well, 23 was the area actually, sorry. 23. $23 offers now. On a down tick, 20 bid.
south,
Sweep it down. Watch this area. 16 bid held. Back to 23 offer now. How if we go back to the high volume node or 23 hold?
Buy.
23 yet again.
Buy.
Let me see where it went to. It went to 12. It was 13 though. You know, more or less, I'm thinking in my head, I'm thinking 7 with the extension being 10.
Buy.
23 now, watch 30 to 33 as we move up. 30 to 33. 33 offered. 34 now. Moving up still. This is a bull market. This is a bull market.
5.
Coming back in now, 23. Bids at 24 on an uptick. Bids at 25. 23 yet again.
Buy.
28 now. On watch. 27. About 19, 20, 20 zone to 19. That's on watch. If we get there, 27 now. Again, the last rotations have been up here, so I'm skeptical of being a short seller now. I'm not bearish in this market as value's been shifting up here. If we start seeing a big down move and we start losing this 18 area, then I'm probably going to flip here now. But so far, this is a bull market right here. There's no reason to short this, in my opinion. We're valued at 27, now it's trying to go lower. 37. 37. 37 bid. 37.
buy,
37 offered.
Sell. Sell.
buy,
Sell.
buy, buy,
Sell.
buy,
Sell. 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 Sell.
Buy.
Sell.
Buy.
Sell. 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 Sell.
buy,
Sell.
buy,
Sell. Sell.
buy,
Sell.
buy,
Sell. Sell.
buy,
Sell.
buy,
Sell.
buy,
Sell.
buy,
Sell. 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 Sell.
buy,
Sell.
buy,
Sell.
buy,
Sell.
buy,
Sell.
buy,
Sell. Sell. Sell.
buy,
Sell.
Buyer's still in control here
buy,
Sell.
on the Nasdaq.
Sell. Sell.
Trading close to VWAP now, 46.
Sell. 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 Sell.
We had 35, we had a bit of 43. We haven't traded here much though. What I'm seeing is, wait, 35 area, yeah. Bull bias market, from what I can see. Moving up now, trading higher than VWAP. Run the highs, 52. Told you it was a bull bias market, there was no reason to short it. Didn't catch the long though. We all good. Went off a strong move here. 66.
Sell.
65, 66.
buy,
3 points lower. Ten handles. 13 handles higher. Offered at 75. Still bullish market. Offered at 75 here. 10 handles higher than the last zone. Another 5. Another 10. Now 85. Trading the overnight VPOC area. We moved from 65 to 75, now to 85. Now 80 bids. $80 offers. 80 bids. 80 offers. 80 offers win. Now 75, going slowly down. 80 offers yet again. Going slowly down, 77 bid here. $75 now. Going slowly down still. 75 yet again, 75 bids here. Now 74, now 73.50. 80 offers still in play here. Thinking we sell it up to 85? I don't think it'll get there, we'll see. CNT moving down now. We're bid at 75. Going slowly down, now 73 again. 2s now, 1s. Now 70 now. Starting to move, pick up speed here. Potentially this 65 area. $65 bid, 65 offer. Don't think it's going back to 85 just now. $60 bid now, two-way here. $65 bid, now 67. 60, we were last, now 67. $68 offer on a downtick. Buyers again. 60 again. 68. Ended up back at 60. Trading bearish.
Buy. Buy.
This might be a pull here, just watching. 70.
Sell.
70, 72. Ooh. One tick, man, one tick. Seven-point range is more or less here, trading a little bit of volume at 68. Watch 61. Could be a pretty good scalp at 61 long.
Sell.
350. Not quite, eh? Not quite. Offered at 63. It's doing this thing where it's going slowly down again. Watch 61, that's the lower extreme here. See? It goes slowly down. That's called the death grind. Probably catch the VWAP sooner or later. See what you guys on YouTube are doing. What am I watching? Matrix trading. Matthew, this is what markets actually look like. You got a bid and you got an offer and you got a price. I'm just sitting here looking for good spots, you know? Alright, where did we trade until here? 54. Seven, still looking about seven to 8 point ranges, more or less. Watch 61 again.
Sell.
It's offered and we are
Sell.
going sideways.
Sell.
Russell's still down 1.2.5%. Dollar's down as well, 0.4. Nazi's helping the S&Ps to stay pretty strong here today. At least you got some sun today. Wow. Oh, I didn't even realize. Can you guys actually even see me? Or am I like hidden? Oh, I'm here. I'm here. Hey. Let's go smaller. Let's go bigger. Hey. Okay, let's go smaller again. All right, back to being focused.
Sell. Sell.
We're at 67 up to 74.50. This is the upper extreme here, 75. If you buy it at 75, you're a chump. Unless we're going right now up. Oops. All right, trading 77 offers now on a down tick. Let's see. We're bid at 75. 77 offer on a down tick here. We're at 67 now. Sell. Pretty fast. We're 74 offer on a down tick. Oh! Oh crap, watch 77 offer, 78. I might be offside here. 77 is still good. Now 77 offer yet again. I got swept in here. Might have to scratch this. 77 offer now. Okay, we're still good. 75 bid. 75 offer.
Sell.
70 bid here. Ah, we got taken out on the limit there. Nice little short scalp. Did notice a little lag there. When I recenter my DOMs like that, I do get a slight little lag. I think it's because I'm streaming. There would be no other explanation because I never get lags like that when I'm not streaming.
Buy.
77 offer still in play here. Hey Zaz, 48.75 is a large order that can move the price, bounce the price. Yeah, careful with that. I mean, a large order doesn't mean that it's going to do anything to the price, because it's really all it is. It's a sitting order, right? It's more about how the offense attacks it, you know? If we see, like, someone could swallow that order up in an instant if they wanted to. So it's all about the participation you're seeing. Again, Fat Cat made a good analogy. The order book is like the defense, and the tape is the offense. Nice move down to the sweep VWAP here. I kind of saw it coming as we were accumulating a lot of positive delta, and we were not going higher. We were offered at 75, 77. We saw 77 offers on a down tick. That's what got me into the short scalp. I got paid on a down sweep, and then it chopped another time before giving it this big move here. So we're trading on a bearish move into this low volume area. Nasdaq's still strongest market on the day here. Well, no, actually S&P is the strongest market, but I always view the S&P as like the center market, you know. Traded a bit of volume under VWAP, caught the bid pretty quickly here. Get some water, guys. Don't forget to stay hydrated. Sellers are in control over here, but we're still sort of in this range here. Bullish imbalance, pretty consolidated sideways market here. This was a sweep down to the VWAP. If we hold here, we'd probably trade through this low volume area. Right now we're trading back up here. So let's trade what we see and not what we think. Whoa. That's a pretty cool machine. All right, so it's 11 a.m. Therefore, it's danger hour for me, at least. 11 to 1. Gotta be nice and
sell,
picky.
sell,
Yeah, it's always when I refresh the DOM, it's a little gives it a little lag there. Three, 4, 50 yet again. Coming up slowly. Okay, a little faster. 55, 58. Fill it or not? 58. 47 on 57 on a down tick. We are right here, taking a little bit too much time here.
Bye.
60. I'm scratched. Traded my price bid twice, it couldn't get going, so you're out of that shit. Out of that. Up we go. Hey, cool man. I'm doing all right. I'm slightly up on the day here. Had two trades that ran me over this morning. Then I had two nice winners, and now we have one scratch. Going down. just looking at where that market stopped, it went all the way to 68. Yeah. Still trading bearish. That's what it's all about, man. Stick to the plan. And that's why I find the live helps, because I'm less likely to make dumbass trades. Right? Because I speak out loud, you guys hear what I'm saying, you see the trades I'm taking and whatever. Market's trade on 36 now. Coming off of a nice down move. Going into the lower VPOC area from this session profile. It was offered at 36 down to 30 now, down to 27 now. Nice liquidation. Down to 22 now. These drawing tools are fucking annoying me here on this jigsaw footprint. Alright, that's a little better, okay. Depending on how fast it moves up, this is a short at 35. It's doing the liquidation thing. There's 26 now, 18. You saw that 8 points.
Sell.
14 now, pretty good bid here. 16. Still going down though.
Sell.
16, pretty good bid. Moving up now, 20. Let's see if we get a nice sweep to 35 here. Make him chase it. This market looks like it wants to go down though. Buyers again winning. 16 bid. 16 offer. Going down. 16 offer on a down tick.
Sell. Sell.
Pretty bearish.
Sell.
Buy. Buy.
All right. Buy. 11 up to 19, back to 11. Well, I'd say 1150 more or less.
Buy.
7 to 8 point range is more or less. Oh my gosh, you guys are funny. All right, just a quick update here. Russell's leading the way down here, still on the day. And NASDAQ seems to be the market that's holding up the best overall. Well, actually, it's the S&P's holding up the best. But NASDAQ's the one helping out. This 400 area, I know we traded all the way down to 390 or whatever this morning here, but this whole 400 area is just a big demand zone. It's just an area that will trap at a lot of traders into selling near the lows. Like, I want to see us really start to build volume like under 400 to be really bearish here on NASDAQ, because it's not that bearish, I'll be honest with you. What we saw now is a pretty big liquidation, and now it's just chopping around 11 here. We just saw it move down to that 0750, right? The upper range was 19. See how it reacts there if we trade it again now. So I'm sticking with that idea, you know, unless we continue to build value lower here, I'm not very bearish on this market. But I'm not going to buy it just because of that either. I'll buy it if we see some buyers. Volatility is dropping a bit. Okay, 22. 22 offer and a down tick, now 19 bid. Up we go. 24 is now 5. 5 offer, now 7. Now 30.
Sell.
Up to 31, now 7 bid. It's a bit of an up move for you.
Sell.
5.
Now 30 again. Moving up here. Now 34 offers. Market's bid at 31 now.
5.
35 offers here.
5.
Pretty good up move. Okay. You know, I'd buy it at 19 if it comes in fast. Coming in slow.
Five.
35, that was the area I wanted to sell it at earlier. I'm just watching here. Going up now, 38s. Roughly 32 to 38. 6, 7 points.
Sell.
Seller took some in here.
Sell.
Roughly 32. Okay, we're seeing a decent seller here. Give us another sweep. Still 32 here. Traded at 24.50 on that move.
Sell.
About 8-point ranges more or less. Not too sure about this 19 here anymore.
Sell. Sell. Sell.
We're seeing a seller come in, but I mean, this thing's going up.
Sell.
Trading up on sellers right now. Oh my god, I'm looking at the drama in this one Discord chat. Shit. Yeah, that's what it is. You know, you got guys coming to the Discord, start a problem. Nothing wrong with a joke, but I mean, you never know who's on the other end of it, right? Who's watching here? 25 people. Yo, what's up? I just want to say hi to you guys. Hope you guys are chilling out. What are you guys doing? Are you guys trading? Are you guys working? Are you guys hustling? I'm watching this market here. Nasdaq's moving up. I'm not surprised. We're down almost 3/10 on the day. It's been chopping around the lower range. We caught a bit off the 411 area. And now we're moving up here. Sellers getting stopped at this area here, this 470 area, 460 to 470. Vlad, you can't trade this. What are you trying to do? I'm just looking for scalps, man. I'm looking for an opportunity where I'll be on side almost immediately, or I scratch it. That's what it is. That's why I wait around patiently to find the right one. I'm not a guy that can scale in 5 contracts. If you can do that, it's easier actually, probably. Crude's down almost 1%. Gold's up almost 2%. Silver's up almost 4% on the day. And stocks are relatively flat, except for the Russell down 1% and 1/10. Yeah, Kevin, it has its moments. It definitely has its moments of craziness. You can't always trade it. That's why I'm sitting here not trading it. But you got to wait for the right opportunities basically here. So now this market's valued around 71, more or less. It was valued at 63 for a minute. You know, you can bid it down there. It's maybe a little close, but 73, yeah, you can bid it down there. We're keeping on moving up though. Plus 1,000 on this move. Now it's plus 1,000. Valued at 71 now, trading 79 offer. About 8 points. Well, actually, it's more like 72. Whatever. Now 80, 81.
Sell. Sell.
Seller hit the bid there down to 72.50. He took all those bids.
Sell.
75 now. Again, the thing about these markets is that when they become so one-sided like this, it's just hard to trade it. There we go, 85 now. Like all I can do is know that not to short it, right? And at least I know that, right? It took me a long time to learn how to know when to not do something in the market.
Sell.
But I'm happy to say I'm better at it today than I was 2 years ago. You know, like I knew not to short any of this. I'm sure there was some guy shorting it all the way up and who's still short. He was short at 11, then he averaged, then he averaged, and averaged, and averaged as it continued to go up. No, it can't go any higher. And then you get to move up like this, 490. We just went up 80 handles. One way ticket. I wasn't short. And you can't scalp it either, because you'd always be buying the high. But you could scalp it. I'm just making excuses, because I need to work on that. We're at 85 now, trading 93.
Sell. Sell.
Pretty close to the session highs now. 495. An important zone from earlier.
Sell.
There's also this 475, more or less.
Sell.
495 is an important zone. Market's going up still.
Sell.
Where are we at here? We're up $9 on the day. We have 5 trades total. Well, actually, I should stop saying in dollars. Really, it's if you say it's $9, it's about 5 points. I'm up 5 points on the day. There you go. See, if you think of it in points, you eliminate the dollars. Now you can actually give yourself a better picture of that. You know? Because people have this emotional attachment to money. You just stop trading the money. And you might start making money. Ha ha ha. We have a bit of two-way here now at 489. 94, 92-ish. Still long biased.
South.
11:30 here on a Thursday. 93s was trading up to 500 evens now.
Buy.
Now 504.
Buy.
South.
Nasdaq's now up almost a tenth on the day, as well as the S&P. Take almost close to the session highs.
Buy.
Close to the session highs on the S&P 500. We have this area, this 41.64, about 65 handle. This is quite an important zone. If the market can stay above that area, it's probably going to continue up. If this area holds on the resistance, the 65 zone, this is going to be an area that traps buyers in. But so far, this is an upward market here. There's nothing to say. There's nothing saying sell this right now. Nothing, not even, nobody in their right mind would sell this right now, unless you were fighting against it.
South.
Okay, this is getting a little ridiculous now, gotta say. We've now seen over a 100-point rally from the low. Not too surprising, honestly. But just the way it's going up is a little alarming. Vlad, I would say you are insane to short it now. You would be... I don't think you'd be doing yourself a favor to short it right now. Unless you had the buying power to average in like 100 contracts. Like your best friend there. But we don't do that. That's not our game here. Us, we scalp one shot, one lot, one shot, one lot warrior. Alright, this market's valued at 25 now. We've just moved up a solid 25 handles from where we were about 2 minutes ago. With some pretty strong single prints here on this last move here at 06, at 18 as well. So we'll see how we trade this now at 25 here. 25 is now bid. For the most part of the morning, we've been seeing about 8-point rotations. 8 to 10. Watch 21 bid now. Sellers are being aggressive here. 21, now 20, now 19 bid. 20 now bid. Now buyers again here. Watch 25 on the offer here. 25 offer on a downtick now. 25 bid. Buyers again now. Moving it up. 29 offers strong. 30 offers on a downtick. 5-point, pretty solid 5-point rotations here, more or less 6 points actually. 6-point rotations. Now trading 28.50 here, back down to 25. Someone sold it there. Ugh. It's not a stupid market, don't say that. Be friends with the market. The market's not discriminating against you, so why should you discriminate against it? So basically these are our options here. This market's valued at 25. We're kind of chopping. I mean, you could buy it anywhere under 19 at this point. I mean, on a sweep. You could also sell it at 31, but I would not do that personally. Not after what we're seeing here. I'm not going to sell that at 31. You fucking crazy? But again, theoretically, based on how much it's rotating, you could sell it around 31 or a little higher. If you just use that to gauge your trade, but I don't think that's enough info. S&Ps and Nasdaq trailing above their session highs, and overall bullish. The Russell as well caught a bit of a bid. Now down 0.75% on the session. Okay. Slow Nasdaq now moving, very slow. End period high. The high of yesterday's last hour of trading is around 548, more or less. That's sort of our supply zone to watch. 548. Up we go, mister. Up we go, 33 now, up 36 now, 7 now, 8 now, 9. Look at this market. Now 40 now. 40 off for now. Sellers can't move this. Now 41. $40 offers now. We last had 25 down to about 19, up to about 31, more or less. $41 offers still. Yeah, Mark, the way I'm seeing it is this. So the last hour of trading in a session, if we make a new low or new high in a session, then sometimes you can use the range of the last hour of trading, and that kind of gives you a good range, especially for the overnight trading. So actually, if you look for yourself, highlight the trading range of the last hour in NASDAQ or in the S&Ps, either one. It's from about 548 and a quarter down to 463. Look at how it respected that range overnight. Now, intraday, it might not respect it as much. However, it can still provide an area of reference, right? That's what it is. It's a context thing. It's just an area of reference to say, okay, that's an area to watch. Another way to call it is M period. It's a market profile term. Last hour of trading. The range of the last hour of trading. Or new high or new low in the last hour of trading. And here we are, 548. Looking at the Globex highs now. $558. You know, 548 to 558. That would be your zone. More or less, you know. It's like supply zone, you know. It's just an area like, if you were long, I mean, this would be an area to, you know, get paid, obviously. If you were long, hypothetically, right? If you managed to get long somewhere in that 100-point rally. Alright, well, maybe this market will get a little better here. But I mean, that looks like it. We'll see. We'll see. If we get some nice rotations coming in soon, we might be able to trade it. If not, still trade from the long side, guys.
Sell.
This market's valued somewhere around 549 here, 550. Rotation is very small. Potentially tradable from a scalp if you want to scalp like 5 ticks, 3 ticks.
Buy.
But that's not really my style, so.
Sell. Sell.
Trying to move lower now. Sellers pushing it down here, 547. Back in now, 554. Looking up at the Globex highs now. Up to 70. I'm not sure we'll get there, to be honest. But at this rate, probably. $62 now. 63.
Buy.
Oh, that would have been sweet. Right down to the lower end of that, 48. He had a buy order anywhere in there at 50. From 50, I was thinking about 54, but that would have been too high. 48. Oof. Boy, that was sweet. Oh well. Catch you next time, huh? Another one? You can't trade on the second one. Now 48 again, 47 here. Oh, 47 bid on an uptick. Yeah, Vlad, you can say sellers are minus 200, but the market's flat.
Sell.
That'll shake out weak longs.
Sell.
But we are right into a supply zone, so
Sell.
it's likely to see some profit taking. Doesn't mean the market's going to stop here. $49 bid on an uptick. This whole area, 48, 49 to 47. How did yesterday? Yesterday was fine. I ended the day flat. I stopped around 1 something. Market was too slow, stuck in a range. I think it got active later, but I wasn't around. Today we're doing alright. We're just watching. Being picky, waiting for the right trades. Hey, thanks, Alan. What's PBI? Took at the lows here, 2 points now, bid again, 50. Make sure you're set to the right contract. This is the June contract we're looking at. $48 offers on a downtick, now 45 yet again. And it rebids. So this is like that trappy type of action. I've definitely seen this a number of times in NASDAQ, where it's stuck in a range, it'll break the low by a point, then rebid, trap you out if you shorted it. It'll come back slowly down, break the low by 2 ticks again, get you short, and then rebid up to the upper part. That's why I don't play that game anymore. It's happened to me too many times.
Sell. Sell.
47 bid yet again.
Sell.
This market's not moving very much now. Not to my style. Again, early morning it was moving way too much. Then it got good around the middle, and now it's not moving enough. You gotta understand these things if you're gonna trade this market, guys. Because a lot of guys, you'll get trapped. Because now you're looking for a crazy momentum move when the market's not even moving around 3 points. And when it was moving around 10 points, you were trying to trade it as if it was moving around 5 points. So that's why you always got to keep an eye on that volatility. Moving down here now into the low volume area. Seller's getting accumulated nice into it though. But we are going slowly down. Now offer it up to 50. I would try a short around 50 to 55. If you got filled fast, that would be a good trade. There you go. Traded the evens right back down 5 handles. Now 40 coming up. Remember, 50 was that last offer. It may as well lift. 42 now. I'm just looking at the rotations. We were here, now we're here. About 5 to 6 point rotations. Coming in now, 38.50. Market's not finding much value. We're at 42 now, 38. We're on a downward rotation now. We have been for the last couple of minutes here. Offers lifted a bit. $38. This is a mistake that traders will make, is they'll try to buy it here.
Sell.
I mean, you could buy it if you're position trading, but I don't see anything here indicating to buy this.
Sell.
Other than that, it's bid at 38, and now it's moving up a bit. $50 was the area, guys. That's the second time it's traded. Right up to it now, sold off 7 handles, almost 10 handles.
Sell.
50's the zone, from what I can see. When the market's going away from a price, when it rejects a price like that previously traded, it means it doesn't want to trade there anymore. Therefore, it means that there's probably some people that got stuck there. Now we're 40 here.
Sell.
37 now.
Sell.
Yeah, I'm having trouble spotting a decent area to put a sell order here.
Sell.
44 maybe?
Sell. Sell.
If you get a quick sweep, this might be a suicide mission, but I'm willing to try it. 46 offer. 45 bid. 46 offer. 48.
Buy.
45 bid. 40. 'Offer to 39 here.
Buy.
Market's offer to 30. Offer to 41. $40 now. Offer to 40 on a downtick now. 38. 40 again on an offer now. 38 now. Chopping a little too much for my liking. 40 on an offer still on a downtick here. 38. All right, now 37 now. 40 on an offer yet again. I'm gonna protect this, but I will allow it to trade me once though. $40 bid. $38 bid now. 40 now again. 41 offer. I will allow it to trade me one time. track, which I'm about to change. All right, well, guys, I think that's it for now. I think this market's too slow. We just likely consolidate, go sideways here. The market is trading bearish,
Sell.
slowly down, basically. So I think I'm gonna end the stream here because market's going slow. Too slow. All right, guys, I'll catch you later. Ending the stream. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them there and I'll try and answer later. Oh yeah, before we end the stream, we got to show the P&L because trading is about money, isn't it? Fucking thing, man. Those are my trades in the day. 2 times run over in the morning, 2 winners, scratch, winner just now. That's the kind of offsideness I'm looking for on a trade. Barely any. Up on the day, 25 bucks with after commissions. Haha. One law warrior. All right. Ciao. Take care.